कचरे से आज़ादी कब? MCGM collects 7,000 tons of waste daily, 5,000 wet plus 2,000 dry. 300 crore rupees per annum tax Mumbai pays just to throw away wet waste. MCGM runs 1,600 plus trucks to carry and throw the waste from home to landfill. Trucks add traffic on road and pollution in air. Deonar, India's largest dumping ground. Overflowing landfills adds to pollution and health problems equals greenhouse gases. City's quality of life rank a lowly 36th. भारत के शहरवासी प्रति वर्ष 2,000 करोड़ रुपए टैक्स देकर अपने कचरे को कहीं और फेंकवाते हैं। कचरे से आज़ादी कब? कितने समझदार हैं हम? एयर पोल्यूशन किलिंग ह्यूमंस 1 लाख in Mumbai and 1 crore per annum world over. जागो भारत जागो। कचरे से कमाई अब। कचरे से खाद, खाद से पौधा। कचरे से कमाई अब by group of young civil engineers. One time investment 50k, return 25k per year. Swachh Bharat, Keep India Clean, an initiative startup by young civil engineers group. Professional supporter. Few smart volunteers, students. Promotion support by Rex BMC PMC, architects and engineers, techno-legal, finance, advisors, building का doctor. Tumbler set at Oshiwara. गीला कचरा से खाद, मैन्योर, ब्लैक गोल्ड बनाने की मशीन. गीला कचरे से खाद बनाने की मशीन, ऑर्गेनिक मैन्योर, ब्लैक गोल्ड, वेट वेस्ट कंपोस्टिंग टम्बलर. वेट फूड वेस्ट to organic vegetable in 60 days. The process. Part 1. Day 1. Segregate food waste at home in 2 bins. Day 2. Safai wala to collect waste in separate bins. 50 kg of food wasted per person per year in Indian homes, UNEP. Sorting and mixing up with compost materials. Deposit mixed shredded waste into tumbler daily. Day 10. Fill up to 80% of drum capacity equals 180 liter. Day 11. Once filled up, close it, pack it up. Rotate the drum 5 times a day for 15 days. Day 28. Check out the composted material. Take out the composted material, manure. Day 29. Sieve the composted material and manure. रसोई के कचरे से खाद बनाएं और अपनी बिल्डिंग में ही खाद से जैविक सब्जी उगाने का आसान तरीका अपनाएं. Day 30. Ready for sale at 25 rupees per kg vermicompost. Earned rupees 1,000 per family per year. Help reduce traffic and pollution. Cleanup truck simply relocates the waste at cost or tax money. Plus earn 5% rebate on residential property tax. The benefit process. Part 2. Step 1. Install 4 vertical garden drum. Keep at 4 corners of building. Add this, mix up all. Wet waste compost 60%, coco peat 20%, soil 10%, cow dung 10%. Fill up the drums. Select seeds to grow vegetables. Small plant grows up. Replace the small plant evenly. Vegetable grows for 50 to 100 days. Vegetables and fruits at vertical garden. Vegetables ready for use. Look, Ma, no soil for my plants. Organic vegetable at rupees 30 per kg. Rupees 48,000 one time investment for 30 flats building earned rupees 25,000 per year lifetime plus 5% property tax rebate. For more info about what is waste management, how to start at building, how to aware residents, how to save earn money, how MCGM helps to know about waste management by building ka doctor Rex BMC PMC. Mail your queries to buildingkadoctorrex@gmail.com, gurusankalp@ymail.com, healthsangwealth@gmail.com. Gri Sankalp Sanstha, Affordable Sustainable Housing NGO, non-government organization, social service supports and promotes by Rex Group, Rex Concor Consultants Private Limited. For more details, visit website, mail your queries, call us. Visit, like, share, subscribe, Rex BMC PMC, Building Ka Doctor. Thank you, Dhanyavad.